It's something that the end user will expect from a manufacturing company.
You will be required to offer repair services.
And this sets some new boundaries.
But it also opens up a lot of new possibilities. And I think one of the great things that it opens up for everyone is the ability to kind of increase the revenue stream. It might seem as a big thing and a potential threat to the business, but it's also quite a big opportunity, I would say, because you are opening up, or you're forced basically to open up a new revenue stream in the service and aftermarket business, which is a revenue stream which is often quite profitable.
First of all, you need to manage and mitigate the processes around service and repairability, because that's a completely different way of working as opposed to manufacturing the product to start with. So it's important that you have a platform where you keep all of these pieces of information together and stored, so you can actually get an overview of warranty, which product is sold, what's the life cycle management around that product. All of this is needed, and you need to mitigate the risks around it to be profitable. It's a different way of working, so you need to incorporate this into your service.
Of course, you need to offer some kind of warranty service on your products, but typically that business model is not scalable towards a true service organization where you actually offer this and as part of your core business. So that's where you kind of you basically you need to take a look at your current processes and your current platform from an IT perspective, and then does this really scale towards a situation where you do make money, where it's part of your revenue to be a service company.
And the risk is, if you don't do that and you continue with that non-scalable platform, then you won't be profitable.
Exactly.
And then you will, lose your customer.
Yeah, so basically you can say that all manufacturers in the future will be service companies as well, and you need the platform and the processes to scale that to that level. It is quite a big opportunity, I would say, because you are obliged to do it, but so is your competitor. So it's a shared risk, but it's also a shared opportunity. And if you're able to grab that early on, as I guess we're seeing in some cases, so I guess, Stefan, we have some interesting cases where we're seeing manufacturers actually grab that one now and using this opportunity to develop it from an early
Absolutely, and right now, as you said, it isn't a possibility. It's something you can actually gain something if you enter that market. But if you wait, let's say 2 or 3 years, it's something that the end customer would expect as a bare minimum.
It's a matter of being ahead of the curve, basically, and trying to do it not too early, but still so early that you have a competitive advantage from actually working with this right now in service and aftermarket. So but if you need some input or assistance, please reach out. I guess, Stefan, we're used to working with this, and
we're happy to oblige.
Exactly.